Perdería mi viaje a Hollywood. Perdería.
This is the first person singular conditional tense of the verb
Perder.
meaning to lose. It expresses a conditional or hypothetical loss. Something that would happen under certain circumstances. The pronunciation is roughly
Per-deh-REE-ah.
with the stress on the second syllable. The
I.
represents a strong sound.
Mi.
This is the possessive pronoun meaning my. It's unstressed and pronounced simply as
Me.
It shows possession of the noun that follows.
Viaje.
This is a noun meaning trip or journey. Pronounced
Viaje.
with the stress on the second syllable, the
J.
sounding like the H in house, but with a slight friction.
A.
This is a preposition meaning to, indicating the direction or destination of the trip. It's pronounced
A.
like the in father.
Hollywood.
This is a proper noun referring to the famous city in California, USA. It's pronounced roughly as it is spelled in English, although a Spanish speaker might slightly adapt the pronunciation to fit Spanish phonetic rules. Putting it together,
Perdería mi viaje a Hollywood.
means, I would lose my trip to Hollywood, or, I would miss my trip to Hollywood. It implies a conditional situation, perhaps a missed flight, unforeseen circumstances, or something else preventing the trip from happening.